All right, guys. Hey, welcome to this emergency broadcast of Jesse's Barbershop. Earth-shattering news on the men's hair front. Shawn Mendes has posted a picture of him rocking a brand new hairstyle alongside a picture of him sucking on Camila Cabello's toes. What a life, that lucky son of a bitch. What I'd give for Shawn Mendes to suck on my fucking toes. But for real, Shawn Mendes, new haircut. The reason that this news is big news to me, and of course should be big news to you, is because, sure, he had been growing out his hair for a while, and we've been a big fan of it on the channel, and a lot of people seem to like it. But the real news here is that by getting this haircut, Shawn Mendes has answered one of the biggest lingering questions of 2021 thus far. What hairstyle is going to rule 2021? Now we have the answer. It's decided. Game over. It's the middle part. As far as I saw it, there were two major candidates for hairstyle of the year in terms of course, men. The first of which is the long wavy curls, pioneered, of course, by TV's favorite 15-year-old looking 25-year-old Timothee Chalamet, the lovely Stokes from Outer Banks, and of course, our boy Shawn Mendes. And the second of which is the middle part, made famous by various teenagers and Leonardo DiCaprio. Now, statistically speaking, the middle part always had a better shot just due to its popularity and its presence on TikTok, but most importantly, it follows the invariable formula of mainstream boy hairstyles, or as it's referred to in the industry by everyone, not just me, the MSFB formula. Here's what it entails. First of all, for a hairstyle to qualify for MSFB status, it must be worn by a major celebrity and or person of influence. It must be easily achievable by multiple different hair types and multiple different races, not just white guys. But most importantly, and this is the defining characteristic, you don't have to be good looking to make this hairstyle work. You know what I mean? Everybody can wear these hairstyles, and because it's so popular, people look at you and see you have the hairstyle and just kind of assume you're good looking because they're looking at the hair, not your face, and the hair just reminds them of that famous person. This is why that works, and trust me, this is real stuff. This is industry standard stuff. It's like magic, and this has been consistent with every MSFB hairstyle in the past 2 decades. Now, with the longer waves and curls, this is harder to get away with because not anybody can just pull this off. If you don't have a chiseled jawline like the boys here, you risk looking like a prepubescent Jesus of Nazareth. So when Shawn Mendes started growing out his hair and I noticed it didn't necessarily fit under the MSFB criteria, I said, maybe, just maybe, it has a chance. Because with the combined power and influence of Timothee Chalamet, the lovely Stokes from Outer Banks, and of course Shawn Mendes, I figured it might just have a shot. But then nope, because on February 24th, the Flow Bros lost one of their main members when Shawn Mendes posted this picture, ending the debate and solidifying the middle part as the hairstyle for 2021. Facts. Here's why. Because it's Shawn Mendes. And I know I have a bias, but think of it this way. He's young enough to cater towards the 13 to 17 demographic. He is 18 to 24, and he's been around long enough and is passionate about his stuff to earn the respect of the 25 to 35 and onward demographic. So he's a powerhouse when it comes to men's fashion and influence. And of course, people are going to notice when he does something to his hair. So I feel like without the power of Shawn Mendes, unfortunately, the long, flowy curls isn't going to have enough steam to sustain itself through 2021, especially with the summer coming up and people are going to want to be wearing the shorter hairstyles. I feel like the middle part is just going to be the way to go. But this is okay. And if you've been trying to decide on a hairstyle to go for and you've been considering a middle part, I'd say go for it. It's trendy, it's easy to maintain, and if you're 13 to 17 or Leonardo DiCaprio, teenage girls love it. But most importantly, you can never go wrong with the MSFB hairstyle formula. And that's top-notch industry secret stuff. And I'm going to let you guys use it absolutely free, no royalties, in perpetuity, for the low cost of you just smashing that like button to push me through the YouTube algorithm to get me up there with the big dogs. But in terms of Shawn Mendes' new haircut, I feel like, and this is just an inkling, I don't think this is going to be something that he's going to stick with for a while. I feel like he's just the type of guy that would go back to something that he's comfortable with. But if not, hey, the picture's been out, people are going to see it, people are going to want it, and the world will never be the same ever again. Now, shut up. Now, with all that being said, you guys know my opinion here, and I think the most important thing is that realizing that, hey, it's just hair, and hair doesn't really matter. However you want to end up styling your hair, or you want to take my advice or not, doesn't really matter, because there are more important things in this world than your hair. I was kind of getting worked up about it recently because I was thinking to myself, I mean, you're in a position where you're watching this video probably with a roof over your head, with a full stomach, and on a brand new iPhone, right? So, I mean, I guess what I would encourage you guys to do is just ask yourself, why haven't you subscribed yet? Like, it's right there. It doesn't cost you anything. If you're on your iPhone anyways, it's literally just a click of a button. It's not even a button. You just press the screen, and get this, there's a little bell. You ring that for notifications, and you'll never miss when I come out with a video ever again. I think I'm gonna leave you guys with that. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It's a bit of a surprise one. I wasn't planning on making it, but anytime Shawn Mendes does anything with his hair, of course, we're gonna be covering that on this channel. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, leave a comment down below, and we'll hopefully see you in the next video. Hey guys, voiceover Jesse back again, reminding you that if you're interested in joining the community and getting further and personal help with your hair, I have a Patreon link in the description down below where for as little as $5 a month, you can get access to our own private Discord server that I'm in every single day, answering all of your hair related questions, helping you make the most out of your hair. Big shout out to our very first patron, Ryan, who joined us after my latest video looking for some hair advice. Huge ups, my guy. I really appreciate the support, and of course, I'm glad to have played a part in finding this hairstyle for you because it looks awesome, man. If you're interested in joining me, Ryan, and a bunch of others, consider checking out that link in the description. But if you can't, of course, any and all support is appreciated. So if you liked the video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and we'll hopefully see you in the next one. Voiceover Jesse out.